Welcome back to Rosie's kitchen. Today we're going to be making some brownies. I got this recipe from this crazy big book full of 100 different brownie recipes, and I had my brother pick it for his end of the year snack. So we're gonna go right into that. So first things first, I'm just gonna go and combine my dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, and now I'm gonna add in my baking powder and my cocoa powder. And that's 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then just combine that up and put it to your side while you do the next step. Next step, you're gonna go over to your saute pan and you're gonna combine 2/3 cup of butter with 2 2/3 cup of brown sugar and then 2 tablespoons of water. So when the butter is all melted like this, add in my brown sugar, and then I'm gonna also add my water in over top, and I'm gonna stir to combine that up. So I put it on the KitchenAid attachment, and now I'm going to fold in the dry mixture that I made first with the cocoa powder, the flour, and the baking powder. And I'm gonna just do that slowly and beat it until it's combined each time. Vanilla extract, chocolate chips, combine it again. So now you're at the final step. You want to put this into a greased baking pan. And you want to have your oven set to 325. So you can cook it for 40 minutes in the oven, and you can actually take it out at 40 minutes and put more chocolate chips on top to like melt them on top, or you can just cook it completely through and take it as it already is because it already has those chips. Alright, here's the finished product. I actually had to cook them a little longer, like 60 minutes because they're real thick. As you can see, my brother's already dove into them, so I guess they're pretty good. So enjoy! Mind your mind.